So hey guys, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel at Learning. So today I am going to show you how you can download node.js on your Mac. So to download node.js on your Mac, open up your browser. You can open any browser and type nodejs.org. So you can see it has automatically detect my system download for macOS. So you should download this because this is recommending. So click here and it will download this LTS package. Okay, so you can see it is downloading. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a couple of seconds. So after download, you should see your download folder. Okay, so here it has downloaded. So double click on it. You can see the package will be installed. The path is here, right? And npm will be here. This is the path. So no need to be worried about this. Click continue, then continue, then you have to agree. Okay, so it is showing me how much space is available. So how much, so enter your password. So it is installing. It may take a couple of seconds to install node.js. The package has installed, you can see, right? Node.js and npm. Okay, so close it and you can hit move to bin. Okay, so now to verify node.js, open up your terminal. If it has successfully installed, you should see the version, right? You can see it is 9.1.0. okay, so node.js has been successfully installed.